Hey guys, hope you're having a wonderful day. In this video we're going to be drawing Emolga, and it's a Pokemon card as you can see right there. Pokemon cards are cool, and look at it, it actually looks pretty cool. Alright, so we're going to be drawing this, I hope that this helps as best as it possibly can, and yeah, let me know if it does. Alright, so you guys ready? Alright, cool. So what we're going to start off with is the head, which is usually what we start off with, but this one's going to have little spaces in between, guys, so just leave those spaces open. We're going to need them later. And then what you could do is draw like a pattern that actually goes around the face, which kind of helps us figure out where the face is. You know, the eyes are going to go in there. Cool. Then we could draw some bunny ears, which is kind of like the shape of what Emolga's ears are. So, I mean, that's, yeah. Then we could draw some details on the left because the left ear is actually like facing us. And we can actually see what's there. Then you could draw two eyes, which is helpful because Emolga needs to see. You know, that's good. Then there's going to be circles in those eyes. These are the white parts of the eyes, which kind of like make the Pokemon look cute. And then we could draw Pikachu cheeks. You know, Emolga has Pikachu cheeks. Then we could do some noses. I mean, just one nose, not noses. Then you could draw the face, smile thing. It's actually a pretty happy Pokemon, so you're going to have like a smile right there. Perfect. Now we're going to move this a little bit towards over here, and we're going to have like the arm, like the left arm actually facing out, because Emolga's actually like flying in this picture. So, you know, it kind of like spreads its wings, but like it also spreads its arms. Then there's going to be like a right one over here, and it's going to be doing the same exact thing towards the right side. Good job. Then you can draw the body, which is going away towards us, so, you know, it's like away from us. Then these little tiny legs, because Emolga has tiny legs. Then you could draw the right wing. I almost lost my direction there. Then you could draw the left wing, which is going to be a little bit out towards there. And it's going to have a top, because we can actually see the top part of it too. So draw that over there, and then put it right there. Good job. Alright, so now we could just draw the tail, guys, which is going to have like 3 parts to it. I don't know how to describe this. I don't know what shape this is, but I mean, it kind of looks like a wing. I guess that's what it is. But that's the tail, and that's pretty much it. Yeah, actually, that is it. Alright guys, that's Emolga. I hope that this was helpful. I hope that this did something for you guys. Let me know if it actually did. Those are the colors if you actually need it. Thanks so much for watching the video, guys. Yeah, let me know if it helps. And yeah, I'll see you guys on the next one. Thanks so much, guys. Yeah. Thanks so much, guys. I hope you have a wonderful day. See you guys on the next one. Take care. Bye, guys.